Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll showcase my small project, which is extracting OTP from from a screenshot. I have a screenshot, which is a cropped version of a phone link screenshot. So this is the full screenshot of from a phone link. I will test this later. So let's test the first image and extract the OTP. Let me explain the screenshot first. There is a verification code from GP Academy, and there are lots of text and numbers here. Let's run the script first. So it will use easy OCR to extract all the text from the image. Then it will pass it to Olama's Deepseek model, and I'm using Deepseek R1 model of 14 billion parameter, with 14 billion parameter, and the size of the model is 9 GB. You can use other models which will perform better than this one. I'm using this 14 billion parameter model, and you can if you use 13 billion or 70 billion parameters, the model will perform better. And you can see the extracted code is 186.192. If we see the image or the screenshot, 186.192, and let's pass this screenshot where lots of texts are there. So let's pass the image 2. Let's run this. So here I am using Conda's virtual machine, and then virtual environment, and there are lots of texts. As you can see, EasyOCR can't read the Bangla text because I have given English as a language to the reader, and my GPU is running. As you can see, EasyOCR used my GPU to extract the text, and it is successfully returned the verification code, and the prompt I've given to Deepseek is that extract the verification code from this text, and which is the extracted text from the EasyOCR. This is the verification code from the second image. So we can use other images, extract the text from the image, and ask Deepseek to extract any code from it. Deepseek doesn't have the ability to extract the text from image. That's why I used EasyOCR. Thank you.